This afternoon on our Tuesday, we have a lot of clouds in the area. So if you like the clouds to help with the heat, you got them today. If you don't like them and you want some sun, it looks like we'll eventually get some breaks of that, especially as we head toward the next several days. But really, we're in this same sort of pattern with clouds holding our temperatures down, at least only 85 degrees right now in New Orleans, 82 over at Covington and Gonzales and Raceland, only 81 at Homa and 80 degrees at Thibodaux. But it does look like by the weekend we might start to see our rain chances going down a bit. Actually, today we have a decent chance, maybe 40% or so, to see some rain, but there's just not a whole lot, even though we certainly have the clouds and plenty of moisture in the atmosphere. Not seeing completely widespread showers, but some is starting to show up just north of Hammond, around Morgan City as well, and there are a couple of showers just south of our coastline. Today we'll say mostly cloudy with a few showers, 40% chance for rain, highs maybe only about 87, just like yesterday. The next 8 hours, you can see, keep our temperatures hovering in the 80s. That's been a nice treat, at least when we have rain and clouds. We get this kind of effect with our temperatures, and then the rain chance will be there. Not for everybody all day long at all, but just be aware there could be a few showers, especially through the afternoon. Most of anything we see will calm down this evening, and our lows tonight will be in the middle 70s. Now here's our precision cast. We've been talking about this troughing, and you can still see it with this moisture flow from the southwest, and eventually an upper low will start to settle over us and cut off from the troughing system, and that will really perhaps even draw in some drier air at the end of the week. Let me show you what might happen with that. This is our forecast through tonight and into early tomorrow. Pretty quiet to start Wednesday, aside from a few coastal showers. But here's a bit of that slightly drier air. By Wednesday evening, you can see we may have a few scattered showers in the area. So we'll say our Wednesday rain chance about 50%. And into Thursday, this is by 3 p.m. Thursday, that front, not sure if you really want to call it that, but that will be to our south. And you can see our rain chance will still be about 60% as a little surface low may start to form up perhaps on that surface front. So is it really going to change anything as far as our temperatures? Not really. As far as humidity, it might bring it down very slightly. Some models are showing our dew point temperatures lower, indicating some slightly drier air at the end of the week. We will see, but it got me thinking of last year around this time. We were already almost about to talk about a cool down. These were the dates from the 23rd of September to 25th. Lows were in the 50s north and 60s south of the lake. When you look at the first fall cold front, usually highs in the 70s, that comes in September or early October. If you want a real one though, with highs only in the 60s, that has been consistently over the past 5 years, either the last week of October or early November. Now in the tropics, very quickly, Earl and Danielle, we're just going to cover this fast because we have no threats here. You can see Danielle still a Category 1, and Earl, a tropical storm, may eventually gain strength and pass just east of Bermuda. We have these two other waves, but just tracking them really quickly with a long-range model. This is just to be taken with a grain of salt for sure. Long-range models are, of course, notoriously less and less accurate the farther out you go. But even by September 15th, this one has one just kind of skirting to the north and one still way outside of the Caribbean Sea, maybe weakening. So we will see. We'll track it, of course, but those are way out there. We'll keep you updated. 7-day forecast, 0 tropical threats, chances for rain each day, and highs in the 80s.
Alex, thank you.